welcome to your last math class of the week because it's Friday. Very exciting. Okay, let's get started. I have a bag in front of me. Do you all see the bag? Now, inside this bag, I have a lot of different lima beans. They're all green and they're really tiny. They're lima beans. Now, how many lima beans are in this bag? Tell the person next to you. Could you answer? Did you know how many lima beans were in here? I don't know how many lima beans are in there because I can't see the inside. What would you need in order to know how many lima beans are in the bag? Yeah, you'd need to take them out. So I'm going to take out some lima beans, not all of them. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 lima beans right now out of this bag. Do I know how many lima beans are in the bag? We still don't know because we didn't take them all out. But what would happen if I put the 4 lima beans back in? What would happen? Would you be able to find out how many lima beans are in there now? No. And now all our lima beans are mixed back up again. But I'm going to take out 4 more lima beans. 1, 2, 3, 4. What would happen if I put all of these lima beans in a box? How many lima beans are in the box? You're right, it's still 4. Did you have to count to figure out that there were 4 lima beans in that box? No, because we already counted them before. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're the same beans, so it's still 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what if I dump them out of the box and I put them in a circle? Do I know how many lima beans I have? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, because it's the same number of lima beans. Okay, I think you all get what we're talking about. We've been talking about this for a long time. When you have a certain number of lima beans, if I have 4 lima beans, it doesn't matter what order I put them in, it's still just 4. Okay, so we're going to practice drawing our 6s now. I want you to look on the screen. You see in front of you the number 6. Now, the number 6 can be a little bit tricky to draw. In your Eureka Math book, they have you draw it in a really specific way like this. Monkey's tail needs a fix. Come on, let's make a 6. And it has it look like this. When I draw my 6s, I usually curve the top of it like you see on the screen. Either way is okay. So if you want to draw it like this, monkey's tail needs a fix. Come on, let's make a 6. That's okay too. Either one of them works. Make sure you pause this video and go ahead and practice making your 6s for a minute before you move on. It's very important that you practice. In fact, it's so important that we actually have a practice sheet right here. So this practice sheet has you making 6s, and it also has you filling in the blanks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right, 5, 6. I think you can fill this out on your own, and you don't need my help. But if you do, it's okay, and when we come to group, you can ask for it. Okay, here's our problem set for the day. Today, our problem set is 2 pages long. I know it looks really tricky, but we can do it because we're kindergartners. So we've got this. Let's look. It says color 6 beans in each group. Okay, so you need to get your crayon out and you need a color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beans in each group. Color 6 of these, color 6 of these, color 6 of these, and color 6 of these. All right, you got it? I know you've got it because you're excellent colorers. Now it says count the dots in each box, write the number. So right here, what would you write? That's right, number 1. Right here, what would you write? Number 2. Right here. 3. Right here. 4. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What we've been practicing today. On our next page, it says count the objects and write the number in the box. This time, you're actually going to count how many and write the number right next to it. You have got this problem set. I certainly believe in you. When we come together as a group, get ready to talk about it. Awesome job, kindergarten!